Yo, what's good, people? It's your boy Fuquan, and we're gonna do a review on a desk that I recently purchased. We're gonna see if they're good or not. It took me like 2 weeks to get during this pandemic, and that's a decent amount of time because it's not really a necessity to the world or for health, but for my music, perfect. Let's get right to it.
I came home from Rikers and met me at Thotty and Jell, and she said, call me Baba. Got some money and took me to Five Guys. Got a double cheeseburger with curly fries. Niggas saying that's Maxie, don't know the guy. Oh, I thought it was beef, I was tripping.
Alright, so the company, or I guess the company's name is Kingso. I got it from Amazon. The link will be down below. And the reason why I purchased like an L shape is because I needed my studio monitors to be evenly to my ears. I'll be sitting in the center, my computer will be in the middle, and the monitors will be on the side. I don't know, like it may not be the right way to have your monitors, but this is the best that I could think of, you feel me? It came with its own tools. It was boxed up. Box was a little wet. A lot of pieces. I feel like it's gonna probably take like 30 minutes. So let's get right to it. Alright, so here we go. The desk is fully completed. I give it about like a 7 out of 10, because the desk is usable, but a couple of scratches and some screws did not fit in there, but it was still sustainable. So anyway, please check out my refurbished MacBook Pro video if you haven't. I did one recently, and we're gonna do more videos, basically creating a home production studio on a budget. So please hit that sub, maybe the notifications, and I'm out.